Alright, another order from Ballistic Products to unbox. Now, I already went ahead and cut it open just to make it easier. Only got one hand. You know, I'm holding the camera. So let's see what we got. Well, I know what I got, but still. I got some paper. Thanks for watching, guys. Just kidding. Shadot 3.5 inch 12 gauge, brand new, primed. These holes are red. Pretty cool. .3" 12 gauge green holes. They have these in stock right now. Shadot makes awesome 12 gauge holes. Just a couple more things. Not a huge order. These are 28 gauge nitro cards. I believe these are an 1/8 inch each. There's 500 of them in there. And finally, after so long of putting it off, I got some 16 gauge nitro cards. These are different colors. This is going to let me load heavier payloads of buckshot than 1 3/8 using the larger pellets easily. I can already do it with the Arbitrator 16 gauge gas seal, but this is just going to make it a lot easier with more room. And of course, you know, overshot cards to roll crimp with. But that's about all I ordered. I do have more on the way, or will soon. So thanks for watching, guys. Tune in the next one, and we'll see you.